Kajing penpanaya ka kubor babha naka gospel Lukas lenong baar na ar puar hadu lai pausan lai ti ya uji su ha ka temple. Dongin duai lang ya gane kajing duai baka ketien ublay kan song ne song sa ha kadanut ha ka mensim jongi. Kublay ba isnay topen sle yang ada mensim baku jongmi kat bangadang pulih ya ka ketien ka jongmi. Ai bangan yo sengau ya kasur jong me ka papasiaw ha ka mensim jong a. Ai yang a ka jin start jin sempang ban thu ya ka kubor ba me ai yang a. Ai baka ketin ka jong me kam long ka jin kamen ya ka donut jong a bat ka carak ya ki jat jong a. Ai yang a ka bor bante ya ka jin im jong a halor ka ketin jong me. Doa baki eke baro kin long hanga kat kum kaktin jombe. Pengkemen yang habang ayo sengau ya kaktin jombe. Bat bangan ri kendong ya ka. Keren kotrai ngai sakri jombe ngas ngap. Kublai sibun jisu ya ro yang de jisu. Kaktin ublay naka gospel Lukas lenong kebaar kuda koar buar hadu lai pusan. Habapoy kasgi bau Joseph barka Maria kinle ya kabala hukum daka ain Moses bat ban pendep ya kariti jing pengkhuit kilara ya ukun lung cha Jerusalem ban ai ti ya u ha utrai kumbala tho ha ka ain utrai ya ukun prang sgi baro de ban pem kentang ha utrai kilale iru ban terwa tinya dakilin dekur hijur ne arteli kikun paro kat kumba labu ka anu trai tela don ubre ha Jerusalem bakar tengu Simeon ulalong ubre ubahog bat ubatip blay ulak milenti banwan gajing pan im yaki Israel bat mensim bakut uladon bat ulayok tin na mensim bakut ba amiap lemda uyo isua ya balas le jong utrai da gajing yalam mensim Simeon ulale caka tempel habaki kimi ki kpa kilawan rayo kun lung jisu ban le ya kumban dawa ka an Simeon ula ketup ya halakik sangti bad ula aingu ya blay Mekta ku try mela pendep yala kakular mela ban pelai suk yala usakri dalaki kemat ngalayo iya kajik pen im jong me keba mela pen kre akmat kipai ben riu baro kajik syai ben kedeu lenti ke jentil bat kaburom ya kipai Israel jong me kikemi kikpa ukun lum kila lengo ya ki ba Simeon ula keren sepang jomu Simeon ula kerku ya ki berulo ong ha kabaria ka kemi jong une ukun lum kala long kecing penjot ne kecing pen im ya bon ba ha Israel Ulong kadak na ublay kabaki briw kin le persya. Kumta en patpaw yakibut bari jomki. Bad kawai lam kajisupsi kandung senlo ya kadadrot jompi. Kakubor babha utray.
On the 8th day, when it was time to circumcise the child, he was named Jesus, the name the angel had given him before he was conceived. When the time came for the purification rites required by the law of Moses, Joseph and Mary took him to Jerusalem to present him to the Lord. As it is written in the law of the Lord, every firstborn male is to be consecrated to the Lord, and to offer a sacrifice in keeping with what is said in the law of the Lord: a pair of doves or 2 young pigeons. Now there was a man in Jerusalem called Simeon, who was righteous and devout. He was waiting for the consolation of Israel, and the Holy Spirit was on him. It had been revealed to him by the Holy Spirit that he would not die before he had seen the Lord's Messiah. Moved by the Spirit, he went into the temple courts. When the parents brought in the child Jesus to do for him what the custom of the law required, Simeon took him in his arms and praised God, saying, "Sovereign Lord, as you have promised, you may now dismiss your servant in peace. For my eyes have seen your salvation, which you have prepared in the sight of all nations, a light for revelation to the Gentiles, and the glory of your people Israel." The child's father and mother marveled at what was said about him. Then Simeon blessed them and said to Mary, his mother, "This child is destined to cause the falling and rising of many in Israel, and to be a sign that will be spoken against, so that the thoughts of many hearts will be revealed, and a sword will pierce your own soul too."
Kajing yaro yame ko Chris.